In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see followers on a Facebook business page. To get started, open Facebook and log into your account. Make sure you are signing into the account that has access to the business page you want to manage. If you manage more than one profile or page, that's completely fine. We will switch into the correct one in just a moment. Once you are logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile photo. This will open the account menu, where you'll see an option called See All Profiles. Go ahead and click that. This area lets you move between your personal profile and any business pages or additional profiles connected to your account. Now, select your business page so that you switch into it. This is an important step, because if you stay on your personal profile, you may not see the page tools and follower information you are looking for. After switching, you should be taken into the page experience for your Facebook business page. From your page feed, click your page name or the profile option for the page. This takes you to the main page view where you can access details like your posts, page information and audience-related tabs. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. Facebook sometimes changes the design slightly, but the overall process is still very similar. Next, look below your cover photo for the Followers tab. If you can see it right away, click it to open the list of profiles following your business page. In some cases, that tab may not appear immediately in the main row of options. If that happens, click More and look for followers there. Once you open it, you will be able to view the people who follow your page. This is a useful way to quickly check your audience and better understand who is connected to your business page. If you are reviewing engagement or simply confirming who has followed your content, this section is the place to do it. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.